Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Peking Duck with Pinakbet. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have onions, shrimp, tomato, okra or ladyfinger, eggplant, string beans, squash, bitter melon, salt and pepper, shrimp paste, chicken bouillon, olive oil or vegetable oil, and of course we have our cooked Peking duck here, which we're gonna use for this recipe. So let's get started. In our hot pan here, we put our vegetable oil or olive oil, it's your choice. Put our onions. Let's give it a minute to cook it. This is the time to put our tomatoes. Let's give it 2 minutes to cook it. Let's put a teaspoon of shrimp paste. Okay. Give it a good stir. Time to put our squash. Okay, beautiful, isn't it? See the color of this? Wow. Okay. Alright, now let's put our string beans. Okay. Okay. Alright, then we'll put just a little of water, like 3 spoons of water. All right, and then we'll cover this and simmer it for 5 minutes. Now let's check our pinakbet. All right, smells very good. Now this is the time to put our bitter melon. Okay. And ladyfinger or okra. And of course our shrimp. All right, and we're gonna give it good mix here. And we're gonna cook this for the next 3 minutes. Okay, and in this time we can also put our eggplant. All right, we will not cook the vegetable. We'll just cook the vegetable half cooked, so it will be real tasty. So 3 more minutes and this will be done. Now we put the eggplant already and the chicken bouillon. So we're gonna wait another 3 minutes. Here's the finished product. Peking duck with pinakbet. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.